And so, I have delivered the girl to you as promised. Do tell our Lord to not forget the loyalty of his servant, Ramon.
Ashley!
Such a fool, Mr. Kennedy. To have been bestowed with Lord Sattler's...
You talk too much.
Yet failed.
You vulgar,
Utterly uncivilized. Mongrel.
Allow me to show you the power I've been granted by my master. The power of God. The stage is set for the final act. You are nothing but an extra nice script, Mr. Kennedy. So don't get too carried away. Your biggest scene is over.
leave me out of your crappy script.
Well then, why don't you show me what a first-class script is like? Do your own actions. Either way suits you wonderfully. Qué bonito. You danced the bolero superbly. Oh dear, I just realized I haven't set the cast of this play. What's that? An act of defiance against me. You're simply precious. You're a small, small man. You're a better dancer than I imagined. For an uncivilized mutt.
You're not so bad yourself. For a moldy son of a bitch.
Amusing, but I do wonder how long that wit of yours will last. Entertain my curiosity and show me. Now then, once more, I want to see you trip over yourself. Mr. Kennedy, you share a manner of resemblance. Oh dear, that was well struck. I jest, of course. Did you fall for it? You worm. You worthless piece of filth. Damn you, damn you, damn you.
Watch your language, my lord. What would others think of you?
This means death. A slow, miserable death. You tiny, unsaintly half-wit. You should never have been born. You demon child. I'll send you back twist your nose, your ears, bend your fingernails, your lips. I'll save your eyes for last. I shall drain the blood out of every last cavity of your body. Every bastard, troublesome bastard. Does that hurt? Are you in pain? Distress?
Phew.